Hello everyone. In this video I will be talking to you about the nystagmus that we see in geotrophic variety of lateral canal BPPV. You know that in lateral canal BPPV you can either have a geotrophic, that is mainly because of the canalithiasis, the otoconal particles in the canal, or you can have a apogeotrophic variety which is cupulolithiasis. The treatment strategies for both these forms are different, and hence it's important that we diagnose which variety it is. The previous videos I stressed upon the diagnostic tests. In this video I will explain to you why this geotrophic nystagmus occurs. In the first video, you can see that the patient is subject to a right roll test, which is also called the McLeod procedure, and you can see that there is a nystagmus with the fast face directed towards the right. You can also observe that after a few seconds there is a inversion of the nystagmus and the nystagmus beats towards the left. So what is happening? This inversion doesn't really occur in all the patients, but in some you can always find it. It's also important to note that the patient has severe symptoms on this side. Now, why does this occur? I will give you a picture in which I can explain the details better. As I told you, the otoconal particles float in the canal. So you have canalithiasis. What do you achieve by doing a right head turn or the right roll? What happens is that the otoconal particles start moving towards the ampulla. So the endolymph movement also is ampulopetal. In horizontal canal, the ampulopetal movement of the endolymph is excitatory. So I am stating the Eval's second law here. So the ampulopetal movement is excitatory. Hence you get a nystagmus beating towards the right. Second video, you can see that the patient is subject to a left roll test. Here again you have a nystagmus beating towards the left when the patient's head is turned. But the nystagmus is less stronger when compared to the right side. Also the symptoms are less severe. Again I have a picture to explain this better. You can see in this picture when the head is moved towards the left side, what happens? The otoconal particles are moving away from the ampulla or towards the utricle. So this method actually stimulates a ampulophagal movement of the endolymph, which is inhibitory. Hence the nystagmus is beating towards the left, and you also have a endolymph and the otoconal mass moving towards the utricle. Inhibitory stimulation, which is less than the excitatory stimulation which we got on the right side. So I think these two pictures helped you understand better about the geotrophic form of lateral canal BPPV. Thank you so much for listening.